Pietersite is a captivating gemstone, often referred to as the tempest stone due to the striking visual resemblance it bears to a stormy sky. Found primarily in regions of Africa and China, this unique stone is a variety of jasper, rich in color and pattern. Pietersite's appeal lies in its swirling, turbulent colors, predominantly gold, blue, and brown, intertwined in dramatic, chaotic patterns. The stone itself is formed from the fossilized remains of ancient sandstone that underwent extreme metamorphic pressure. This high pressure causes the stone's inherent colors to shift and blend in mesmerizing patterns that seem to swirl within the stone's surface, creating an almost hypnotic effect. When polished, Pietersite reveals its full beauty, transforming it into a gemstone sought after by collectors and jewelers alike. The origins of Pietersite are tied to specific geographical regions, and understanding these origins helps appreciate the rarity of the stone. In Africa, Pietersite is primarily found in Namibia, where deposits form in rich, mineral-laden soils. The Namibian Pietersite, which is considered one of the most beautiful and high-quality forms of this stone, is known for its vivid blues and golds that seem to light up when the stone is held up to the light. A significant discovery of Pietersite in China expanded the gemstone's global appeal, with Chinese Pietersite typically displaying more reddish and brownish hues compared to its African counterpart. The deposits are rare, making Pietersite a gemstone that is not only visually striking but also precious in its scarcity. Collectors and enthusiasts are drawn to Pietersite not just for its aesthetic allure but also for its limited availability, which adds to its mystique and value. One of the most enchanting aspects of Pietersite is its reputed metaphysical properties. Many believe that Pietersite holds the power to enhance one's spiritual awareness and emotional strength. Its swirling patterns are said to symbolize the flow of energy, assisting in transforming negative emotions into positive ones. Spiritual healers often recommend Pietersite for individuals undergoing difficult transitions, believing that it offers protection and courage. The stone is also thought to stimulate the third eye chakra, promoting clear thinking and intuition. This connection to higher consciousness makes Pietersite a popular choice in meditation and energy work, as practitioners claim it can facilitate deep introspection and spiritual growth. Additionally, its ability to connect the wearer with both the earthly and spiritual realms gives it a unique place in the world of gemstones with metaphysical significance. Beyond its metaphysical uses, Pietersite is highly valued in the jewelry world for its aesthetic appeal. When polished, the stone's intricate, ever-changing patterns are revealed in their full glory, making each piece of jewelry unique. Whether crafted into a pendant, ring, or bracelet, Pietersite jewelry serves as both an art form and a conversation piece. The stone's vivid colors make it versatile in design, able to pair with both gold and silver settings, further enhancing its visual impact. Despite its relatively soft nature, measuring 6 to 7 on the Mohs scale, Pietersite remains durable enough for everyday wear. The vibrant swirls of blues, reds, and golds seem to change depending on the angle of the light, lending the gemstone a dynamic quality that is rarely found in other stones. As such, Pietersite is often seen as a gemstone that embodies movement, energy, and transformation, qualities that are celebrated both in its metaphysical attributes and its physical appearance. The future of Pietersite's role in the gemstone market is intriguing, as demand continues to grow while the sources of the stone remain limited. In addition to its appeal to collectors and spiritual practitioners, Pietersite's value is likely to rise as awareness of its uniqueness increases. The stone's captivating appearance and rarity ensure its place as one of the more coveted gemstones in the world, particularly for those seeking an extraordinary and deeply meaningful piece. As gemstone markets continue to expand globally, Pietersite's role may evolve, especially as interest in unique, non-traditional gemstones increases. The combination of its striking appearance, spiritual significance, and scarcity positions Pietersite as a gemstone that holds enduring allure, making it a timeless treasure for those who appreciate both beauty and meaning in the stones they collect. Pietersite is a gemstone of extraordinary visual complexity, often admired for its dramatic, swirling patterns that evoke the chaos and power of a storm. This captivating stone, typically found in Namibia and China, is a rare variety of chalcedony with a distinct appearance due to its rich blend of colors. It can exhibit hues ranging from golden yellows and fiery reds to deep blues and grays, all intertwined in a mesmerizing swirl. Pietersite is the result of an ancient process where the stone was once part of a sedimentary matrix before it underwent a dramatic metamorphic transformation under high heat and pressure. As the stone cooled, it locked in stunning colors and patterns, making each piece completely unique. Its rich, lustrous surface, when polished, gives it an almost ethereal glow, reflecting the light in ways that give it the illusion of movement. While Pietersite is relatively rare, its geological origins make it a fascinating specimen. The Namibian deposits, in particular, are highly prized for their vibrant blue and gold tones, which have become signature features of the stone. These colors are thought to have been enhanced by the unique mineral content of the region's geological formations. In contrast, the Chinese Pietersite often has more brownish and reddish hues, offering a different visual appeal. Despite its rarity, Pietersite has become a popular gemstone among collectors and those in search of rare and distinctive jewelry. Its geological uniqueness, combined with the fact that it is not found in vast quantities, contributes to its allure. For gemstone enthusiasts, owning a piece of Pietersite is like holding a slice of ancient earth that tells the story of millions of years of geological activity. Pietersite has also garnered attention in the world of metaphysical healing, where it is revered for its supposed ability to foster transformation and spiritual growth. This stone is often called the Tempest Stone, due to the swirling patterns within it, which symbolize the forces of change and movement. Practitioners of energy healing believe that Pietersite can stimulate the third eye and solar plexus chakras, promoting enhanced intuition, mental clarity, and emotional balance. The stone's energy is said to help individuals navigate challenging life transitions with strength and resilience. It is also believed to help in clearing mental blockages and fostering a sense of empowerment. Those who work with Pietersite claim that it assists in bringing about spiritual awakening, helping one align with their higher self. These metaphysical properties have made the stone a favorite among those looking to enhance their personal growth and connect with their inner wisdom. Beyond its metaphysical properties, Pietersite's captivating aesthetic makes it highly sought after for use in fine jewelry. The gemstone's vibrant color patterns make it perfect for statement pieces, and it is often set into pendants, rings, and bracelets that highlight its dynamic qualities. Pietersite can be cut into cabochons, which allow the stone's colors to flow freely, showcasing its swirling patterns. Jewelry designers appreciate Pietersite for its ability to pair well with a variety of precious metals, including gold, silver, and platinum. Its striking appearance adds an element of movement and energy to any piece, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a gemstone that symbolizes strength, transformation, and beauty. Despite its softness, it is durable enough for use in everyday jewelry when treated with care, making it both a beautiful and practical addition to any collection. The rarity and beauty of Pietersite make it a stone of value not only for its appearance but also for the deep meanings it carries. Throughout history, Pietersite has been considered a gemstone that embodies the power of change and transformation. Its connection to the elements, particularly the stormy winds and shifting skies, reminds wearers of the cyclical nature of life, where turmoil and calm exist in a constant balance. This symbolism gives Pietersite a timeless quality, making it a gemstone that holds both beauty and meaning for generations to come. As the world of gemstones continues to evolve, Pietersite's place as a rare and unique treasure ensures that it will remain a gemstone cherished by collectors, spiritual seekers, and jewelry enthusiasts for years to come. Whether admired for its aesthetic appeal, its metaphysical properties, or its geological uniqueness, Pietersite continues to inspire awe and fascination. Pietersite is often referred to as one of nature's most mysterious and mesmerizing gemstones, known for its deep, stormy colors that evoke a sense of both chaos and beauty. The gemstone's unique patterns, swirling, dramatic bands of gold, blue, red, and brown, give it an appearance that is unlike any other. This strikingly dynamic visual effect is a result of the metamorphic process the stone undergoes, turning ancient sandstones and sediments into a vibrant, colorful stone. The stone's swirling patterns resemble a tempestuous storm, hence its nickname, Tempest Stone. Unlike many other gemstones, Pietersite doesn't rely on a singular hue but rather a complex, constantly shifting kaleidoscope of colors. This makes each specimen of Pietersite highly unique, with no two stones appearing exactly alike. The rich diversity of colors and the complexity of patterns found in Pietersite have made it a coveted gemstone for collectors and jewelry designers alike. Found primarily in Africa, particularly Namibia, and parts of China, Pietersite's rarity further adds to its allure. The deposits in Namibia are the most famous, with their high-quality Pietersite known for brilliant blues and golds that capture the essence of the sky just before a storm. These colors are often interspersed with deep browns and blacks, creating an intricate mix of tones that are particularly captivating. Pietersite from China, though not as well known, displays a different range of hues, often leaning toward reds, oranges, and browns. The diversity in appearance is largely due to the varying geological conditions in which the stone forms, highlighting its connection to specific environments. Despite its relative rarity, Pietersite is becoming more sought after due to its striking beauty and metaphysical properties, attracting buyers and enthusiasts from around the world. The metaphysical properties of Pietersite are one of the primary reasons for its growing popularity in spiritual and healing circles. Known for its ability to balance and align the body's energy centers, Pietersite is believed to stimulate the third eye chakra, which is associated with intuition, and the solar plexus chakra, which governs personal power and confidence. Many consider it a stone of transformation, helping individuals navigate life's challenges by fostering emotional balance and promoting clear thinking. It is often used in meditation practices to enhance spiritual awareness and connect with higher states of consciousness. Because of its connection to personal empowerment and inner clarity, Pietersite is regarded as an essential stone for those going through periods of change, helping them stay grounded and focused. Some also use Pietersite to clear mental blockages and promote creativity, as its energy is said to stimulate the mind and encourage fresh perspectives. In addition to its metaphysical uses, Pietersite is widely appreciated in the jewelry industry, where its dramatic colors and patterns make it an eye-catching addition to any piece. The gemstone's ability to reflect light and shift hues as it moves makes it perfect for settings that highlight its natural beauty. Whether in a necklace, bracelet, or ring, Pietersite provides an energy and dynamism that few other gemstones can offer. Jewelry designers are particularly drawn to Pietersite's versatility, as its colors can be paired with a variety of precious metals, from the warm tones of gold to the cool elegance of silver. Pietersite is most commonly cut into cabochons, which help to showcase the stone's swirling patterns and dynamic movement. Despite being a relatively soft stone on the Mohs scale, Pietersite is durable enough for use in jewelry if handled with care, making it a cherished choice for collectors and fashion lovers alike. The value of Pietersite continues to rise as more people become aware of its unique qualities and rare origins. Due to its limited availability and its captivating, one-of-a-kind appearance, Pietersite has become a highly sought-after gemstone among collectors. As interest in rare gemstones grows, Pietersite's reputation as a stone of transformation and spiritual strength has only enhanced its desirability. Moreover, the growing interest in metaphysical stones and their healing properties has led many to seek out Pietersite for its potential to bring balance and clarity into their lives. For those looking for a gemstone that embodies both beauty and meaning, Pietersite represents a harmonious fusion of the natural world's powerful forces and the spiritual energy that resonates within each individual. Whether used in jewelry or for metaphysical purposes, Pietersite's place in the world of gemstones is secure, making it a prized possession for those who appreciate its beauty, rarity, and profound symbolism.